What's up everyone, this is Scott from Team 512 and I'm back with another video. This time, more modifications to the interior of the car. Also, I have a cold, so forgive the red nose and any stuffy, boogery stuff that's going on right now. So the first interior upgrade I'm gonna do are these red letters that sit inside of the embossed Corvette logo on the passenger side dashboard. I originally thought that I was going to be done modding the interior as soon as I got the new seats put in, but it's become somewhat of an addiction. Let's take a look at what I've done to the interior so far. All right, so you guys already know about the seats. I did a 3-part video series on unboxing and installing these Corbeau Evo X fixed back seats in my C5. Some other things I've done to the interior of this car: I put new shift boot and e-brake boot with red stitching, as you can see there. I also replaced the center console radio bezel with a new one. When I originally bought the car, it had a crack in it. I recently just put the sticker on the steering wheel on the C5 logo in the middle there, you can see. New visors here with LED lights, and I did a video on that as well. I also put a new rear view mirror on. The one that was on here originally was pretty beat up. And that's been it so far with the interior. The next things I think I want to do to this car, interior-wise, is probably a set of mats. Lloyd's Mats has a really nice black mat with the red Corvette script on them. I think that would look really good in here. And then also LED lights in the interior as well. Then I think I'll be done, but we'll see. So let's get started with the first mod. All right, we're going to get started with installing the Corvette lettering. And I've got, I think, everything I need in the car here. And the first thing that I want to do is clean this area really well with a degreaser. Now, you don't want to have really any oils in this area or any silicone-based interior detail chemical on these letters, or the decal won't stick nearly as well. So I'm just taking my fingernail here and rubbing some of this degreaser into the letters. I'm also going to take a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol and clean out between these letters as well. All right, I've got a small bottle of rubbing alcohol here, and I'm just going to go inside of the C, the O. Everybody, let's spell Corvette. R. It's also important to make sure your hands are clean and free from any oils or dirt before you start putting the stickers on. All right, so we're going to get started. Here are the decals. And what I did with the steering wheel that seemed to work out really well was use an X-Acto knife blade to pull the decal out and lay it in place before I set it with the end of a Q-tip. So I'm trying my best not to contact too much of the sticker, but it kind of is what it is at this point. right, there you go. The mod is finished. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the camera here and give you a shot straight on. Tell me what you think. You can definitely see where I cleaned around the Corvette logo here. So I'm going to have to, whatever cleaning chemical that I used previously around here without getting it under the sticker. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Well, that does it for this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button while you're at it. Leave me some comments. I love interacting with people who love Corvettes and cars just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.